Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss some MCQ of your lesson 2 on the trial of the earliest people. Yes, let us start. Hunter and gatherers lived about 2 million years ago, 4 million years ago, 1 million years ago, 5 million years ago. The right answer is 2 million years ago. Next question. Early men used tools made of iron, copper, bronze, stone. The right answer is stone. Places where stone was found were known as habitation sites, factory sites, habitation cum factory sites, any other. The right answer is factory sites. Bhimbetka is located in Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Paleolithic period means New Stone period, Old Stone period, Middle Stone period, Upper Paleolithic period. The right answer is Old Stone period. Microliths were found during the Neolithic period, Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, Middle Paleolithic period. The right answer is Mesolithic period. Many sites are located near river and lakes, mountains and lakes, lakes and streams and river. The right answer is rivers and lakes. In Husgi, tools were made of sandstone, limestone, pebbles, grindstone. The right answer is limestone. Ostrich egg shell were found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is Maharashtra. Habitation cum factory sites closer to springs, lakes, streams, rivers. Right answer is springs. Tiny stone tools found during the Mesolithic period were called flint, microliths, hammerstone, none of the above. The right answer is microliths. The Paleolithic period stretches from 1200 years ago to about 10,000 years ago, 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago, 10,000 years ago to about 7,000 years ago, none of the above. The right answer is 2 million years ago to 12,000 years ago. Grassland were developed around X years ago, 10,000 years ago, 8,000 years ago, 12,000 years ago, 9,000 years ago. The right answer is 12,000 years ago. Ostriches were found in India during the Dex period, Neolithic period, Paleolithic period, Mesolithic period, any other. The right answer is Paleolithic period. Early people made paintings on the decks of caves, walls, shelter, rocks, any other. Right answer is walls of the caves. Hunter gatherers used tools made of stone, wood, and decks. Wood, stone, flint, bone. The right answer is bone. People of Cornwall were familiar with the use of the fire as traces of decks have been found. Leaves, ash, wood, stone. The right answer is ash. To catch fish and birds, hunter gatherers had to be very dexterous, hardworking, slow, alert and quick, lazy. The right answer is alert and quick. Thank you.